great views, a great floor plan, and a great location, this home has so much more than meets the eye. Situated high within the gates of Greer Ranch, here you'll enjoy mountain and city views. This upgraded home lives like a single story with your primary suite on the main level while still providing 3 additional bedrooms plus an office. Greer Ranch is one of the rare 24-hour guard-gated communities, offering amenities such as the clubhouse, pools, walking trails, parks, and so much more.